High-quality components from leading global suppliers, combined with strict standards for materials, heat treatment, and machining precision, ensure that our paper bag machines can run continuously, 24 hours a day, even under demanding production conditions. Because what we strive for is outstanding reliability and exceptional durability. We use servo systems from Lenz and Rexroth in Germany, and low-voltage components from Eaton in the United States, ensuring longer machine life and lower maintenance costs. To us, every machine has its own life. When assembly is complete, we stand beside the machine and listen as it begins to run. The smooth, steady rhythm of its operation is like a healthy heartbeat. In that moment, we know the machine is ready to be shipped anywhere in the world and ready to perform its mission. With confidence and strength,